Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is BeyondTrust. BeyondTrust intended to provide security tools that help companies control who can access important system and data. First, you log in into your dashboard and set up an account for your team's member. So giving each person only the access that's needed. The tools let you store, automatically update password, give temporary access instead of permanent permission, and watch a recording of all sensitive section for security. For remote support, technicians can securely take control of device to fix problem with a special access available for criteria systems. The 2025 version include the helpful AI features that can spot issues faster and predict potential security risk before they happened. The platform makes security easier. Features like a fingerprint or face log for extra protection, automatic approve of access request, and a ready-made report for compliance with regulations. You get alert about suspicious activities, and you can even use a smart workflow to manage permissions without a manual work. Whether you are an IT manager or a security professional, Beyond Trust help you protect your company's sensitive information while making sure the right people have the access when they need it, all through a simple and user-friendly system that works for business of any size. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, which is Beyond Trust. Thanks.